Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about book reference in APA 7th edition format. First, invert all individual authors' names. Add a comma after the surnames and then write given names in initials. Following that, provide the publication year in parentheses and add a period. Afterwards, italicize the book title and capitalize the first letter of both the title and subtitle of the book as well as any proper nouns. If there's a subtitle, add a colon between the title and subtitle. Include the edition if specified in parentheses and add a period. Finally, include the publisher's name and add a period. You should also include the DOI if it's available. Here's a real example of a book reference. Check out the ELSS website for more resources and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.